Okay, welcome to the channel. Just got back from the range. Figured I would clean my firearm and talk about some of the little things I've done to it. First things first. Make sure this is as far away as possible. Do not need any live rounds. This is glock26 gen-3. Check clear. Nothing in there. Alrighty. Wait, save direction. Go ahead, take this on. This is glock26. I have the Tribe Defense slide. Opticut for an RMR. This is the Hollow Sun 407C. Green dot. Have a True Precision threaded barrel. And a Harrington Arms micro compensator. Single port. Factory recoil spring. On the frame I have a Tyrant Designs trigger shoe. It's also a Yikes 3.0 connector. Have the Streamlight TLR6 light laser combo. This thing runs pretty good. It runs pretty smooth. With the Harrington Arms compensator, I have not needed to get a different or lighter recoil spring. This is the factory recoil spring. And it runs smoothly, runs fine. I have a competition spring set. I have a 3-pound firing pin spring in here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Need to get a couple of these down. I use the CLP, works pretty good. I love this stuff. Works great. And I pretty much use Q-tips and a toothbrush. Put this down. Get all in here. Doesn't really take much. Can do a deeper clean. Take it apart. But I'm not doing that today. I haven't put too many rounds through this thing since the last time I cleaned it. Will firing pin out though. Just press this little tab here. Slide this down. Slide the back plate down. Pull that back. Be careful because this is gonna wanna fly out. There's the firing pin. There's the ejector plunger. Press this down. Remove the ejector. And now plunger. There we go. This will clean. Careful, don't lose that spring. Wipe down. Well, not too bad. Go ahead and clean out the barrel. The only thing about this is it's on here, on the barrel, with some set screws and some Loctite. Can't take it off, but it's still just as easy to run a little cleaning rod through there, get it clean pretty well. Even soak this a little bit. Good. Put that down. All the loose debris and everything out of here. And then there's also the Holosun 407C. I love this optic. This slide is cut for it. Have my little indicator marks I painted on there just to make sure I know if the screws come loose or not. But they're blue Loctited in. They've been holding up pretty well. Have this thing zeroed in about 25 yards. Alright, and probably do another video on breaking this down and getting that cleaned out another time. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing back together. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. A little lube on here. I'll work that back and forth. Let's take a Q-tip and clean out in here. Clean out inside the plunger and side of the ejector. Alright, go ahead and put that back in. Ejector plunger goes in the metal side in first. Oh, wait, no, don't want to do that. What am I doing? Gotta take your safety plunger, make sure that spring goes in there. Sometimes they like to stay in there, sometimes they don't. This one doesn't really, so I just kind of do this with it. Turn it upside down. Make sure the spring is actually in here, which it did not go in here. Get on out of there now. There we go. Put that back in there. Alright. Gotta do, I don't know. You're supposed to put the firing pin after this. And then to get the ejector pin in, you just depress this. Slide that in like that. This little round spot has a little home right there. Goes right in there. You could release that, and that's in there. And now this could go in there, just like that. This goes in metal side first. And then, the easiest way I found to do this is just get this started and depress the firing pin in. Use your fingers, wait till that's in, get that up a little bit, and then go ahead and depress this plunger. And then work that in. It'll click right in. It's good to go. Get the recoil spring right onto that. There we go. Just like that. Wipe down real quick. I get a little bit of this. Spray it on here. Like this. Just get a couple of these spots. It's all good. And there. The edges on here. Doesn't need a lot. Go ahead. And then work a few times and it's good to go. And that is my Glock 26 Gen 3.